Now let's connect our tub valves to the tub. In this version, I have the inserted version, so I'm gonna use these valves. And stay tuned if you have the threaded version. Just fast forward to that in the next scene. But I'm going to install the threaded version now. Similar to the chiller, we're going to unscrew the blue nut. And there's a rubber gasket inside. I'm going to put the blue nut first, then the rubber gasket, and I'm gonna move it down. I'm going to now insert it, and then just thread the nut in. If I want, in my situation, I want the valve to point this way, so I'm gonna hold it where I want it, and I'm going to tighten that nut. And now it will stay this way. If you want to adjust it, you can easily adjust it. Again, always hand tighten it only. All right, now let's do our bottom. So same thing again, put the blue nut on. We have a rubber gasket. We're going to move the rubber gasket down all the way. Okay, and we're going to insert it, and we're going to screw in the blue nut, and again, just hand tighten it. Perfect. In the next step, we're going to connect these tub valves to our Tub Classic over here. Now again, if you have a barrel or deluxe, your container will look a little bit different. So we want this to be facing this way, the filtration system. So I'm going to start threading them in facing the opposite way. And you're simply going to gently push down, and once it catches threads, just rotate it. Make sure not to cross thread. So right now it's already tight, so I'm going to just do little turns, because again, ultimately I want this to be facing, this top one should be facing a little bit up, right? Because it's facing this connection here. Okay, and then the bottom one, we want it to be as straight as possible. Again, just line it up, start turning it. Try not to cross thread. If you're cross threading something, just pull it out and try again. But essentially, voila, it should look very similar.